Our clerk of the National Assembly is also here. Asante sana.
I am horizontally challenged. God is good, and all the time. Let me take this opportunity first to apologize for coming late. I've been out of the country. I've just come from South Africa. But because Beatrice is not only my colleague, but a very good friend of mine, I had to make sure that I have arrived and condole with her and the family. Before I say something, let me recognize the chairman of budget, who I'm told came after MPs had been recognized. Oh, sorry. Thank you, my governor, for doing that. I was told that he hadn't been recognized, but I want to just thank you. Let me take this opportunity to just say, just as Honorable Memusi has said, that the order of things is that parents should not be burying their children. It is the children who should be burying their parents. And I therefore want to say, pole pole sana, my sister. May God give you exceptional peace, peace that passeth all understanding. It is a difficult moment, but God is with you, and we continue putting you in prayers. Because I've come late, I will not say much, but I just want to add that as a country, we need to do some soul searching. We have very angry youth. I don't know what's going on in this country, but we need serious soul searching. When we have lost Utu, when we don't feel when somebody has lost a loved one, it doesn't matter what the reason or the justification. And perhaps it is time, I don't know in what format, but we need to talk to each other and stop talking at one another and stop pointing fingers. And we need a moment to heal the nation. Because if we don't heal the nation, we'll be tearing this country. And this is a country for all generations. Whether you are my generation, I don't know what I'm called, whether I am boomers or CG what they are called, or whether you are Gen X or whether you are Gen Z, we all need each other. And I'm praying that when we leave here, it's good that Parliament is opening. May we prioritize, and I thank you, Mr. Speaker, you are here. May you prioritize for us as Parliament that we talk about what is bedeviling us as a country, why we are losing the soul of this country, why we have so many bitter and many angry people in this country, especially young people. There's a problem. Thank you. And Beatrice, we are praying for you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. I don't know how to be the technician. Help me, please. Thank you very much. Allow me to recognize Harriet Chigai, Gender Advisor to the President. Mheshimiwa, asante sana. Commissioner Nzilandi Carol of the JSC, thank you very much. Judge Dora Chepkwony of the High Court, thank you very much, and thank you for condoling with us. We have very little time. I'm told the father is very, very ready to finish with us, so I will quickly just invite my colleague Chair and Governor of Embu,